Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. Today I will show you how to create different tree types in Illustrator. First we create a new document with 1000 by 1000 pixels. I've already prepared a set of colors which we will use to create our trees. In our first step I will create an ellipse like this. Then I will select the first color. I select the direct selection tool and just select the low anchor point. And then just use the keyboard, press several times up on the up arrow key, and we already have our top of our tree. Next we will create our tree trunk. Therefore I select the rectangle tool, just create a rectangle like this, select the correct color. In order to make it a little bit more, look a little bit more like a tree, select the direct selection tool, just select the left anchor point, move a little bit in the center, the same for the right. And that's it. Then I just move the trunk to the bottom, and we already have a simple tree. Next step is to add some lighting. Therefore we select both parts, object, copy, object, paste in front. So now we have both parts added exactly on the same position above. Then we just create a simple rectangle, put it in the center, select the rectangle, select the upper part of the tree, and just press minus front. So if we now we have just the right part of the top of the tree, and we can just select a different color. We now do the same for the trunk. Therefore we again create a small rectangle, top of the trunk, select both the trunk and the rectangle, press minus front, and then we again select the darker color. So we just now have to move the part of the trunk down, and we are already done with our first tree. We continue with our next tree in our next video. If you liked this tutorial so far, please hit the subscribe button and like the video. Thanks a lot and see you in a bit.